Hello, I'm Liviu Bălan, and today I will show you how to change your hostname or computer name on Ubuntu Linux. First of all, I will connect to a virtual machine using SSH Ubuntu VM. Then I will use the hostname command in order to show the system's hostname. As you can see here, my current hostname is Ubuntu VM. In order to change this, I will have to type sudo vi etc hostname. As you can see, here is the value that you previously seen, and I will change this to Ubuntu VM -http because I will use this virtual machine for an HTTP web server. Right and quit, and I will have to make another change to etc/hosts. As you can see here, Ubuntu VM is mapped to the IP 127.0.1.1. So I will change the Ubuntu VM value to Ubuntu VM -http. Right and quit. And now if I use the hostname command, I will see the previous value. So my current hostname isn't changed. Good idea will be to reboot the system, but if you have a web server that have to be up and running for a long amount of time, you can't reboot the system. So a good idea is to change the hostname without rebooting the system. To do this, I will type sudo hostname and then Ubuntu VM -http. This is the value that I've put into the previous two files. Hit enter and you will see a message like this: sudo unable to resolve host Ubuntu VM. If I run the same command again, everything works well. If I use the hostname command in order to check my current hostname, you will see that my current hostname is Ubuntu VM -http. If I open a new tab and use SSH Ubuntu VM to connect to my machine, you will see here that my current hostname is Ubuntu VM -http. If I use the hostname command again, you will see Ubuntu VM -http. Now, if I reboot the system, after the reboot is complete, I will try to connect using SSH and see what is the current hostname. So as you can see here, my current hostname is Ubuntu VM -http, and also if I use the hostname command again, I get the value Ubuntu VM -http. So this is how you change your hostname or computer name on Ubuntu server. If you have a different distribution, the approach would be some kind different. If you want to learn more about Ubuntu and about web technologies, visit my website liviubalan.com and also check out my tutorials on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.